Hey everyone, kain tayo. Ayan. Hi Josh.
Hi. The water is cold, everyone.
It's not cold. Bistek yung ulam namin, guys. Madalian lang kasi kagagaling ko lang sa grocery. Kita nyo naman, oh. Walang suklay, walang hilamos. Kung saan ako nakarating. Gusto ko sa bistek, guys, maraming sibuyas. Don't do that. I'm gonna get wet.
You're really wet.
The plate. Come on. Sobrang init, no? Ito muna kami sa pool magbabad ng paa.
Got my floaty with my life jacket. Earlier, I was in the big pool. I was touching the water fountain.
And then?
And it's splashing my foot, but I cannot hold the middle because it has a half there.
Hi, Sandy. Hi, Carly. What's the matter? It's those silly.
Nakain siya nito, guys. Pero pagka, minsan, adobong manok, paborito niya yun. Kaya lang, baka lumipad na kami. Tutubuan na ako ng pakpak.
Maybe you're scary now?
Itong bistek ko, guys, madali ang isip. Ayaw niya kasi kumain ng pasta pag tanghali.
As big as you might be scary.
Italian siya sa gabi.
Even so,
Pilipino siya sa araw.
find a way to get them back over the seawall and into the water.
It's okay. Just put there. Leave it there.
Before they wreck the whole island.
Come on, eat.
Probably are big. Maybe the land must be
Masarap ito, inihaw yung ulam mo, nakababad ka, yun, nag-swim. Pero hindi naman ako nagsiswimming, guys.
I said in 1-2 hours.
Kung may tira siya, guys, yun yung pinakain ko. Kasi, hindi naman yata nauubos. Ang dami kasi nito eh. Try ko. Nagkakamay ako kasi mahirap siya subuan. Susubuan ko, paano ang laki-laki na. Kasi guys, mas marami nakakain niya kapag sinusubuan ko siya. Kasi hindi niya pinipili. Pili-pili niya kasi yung ulam lang. Minsan kanin lang. Ito. Nauubos niya to, guys. Ito. Nauubos niya yan. Hi yung daddy niya. Hi! Bye everyone! Bye-bye!